It's time for another episode of Geocaching with Halemeister. Let's go! You might be asking yourself, my goodness, why is he in such a hurry? Well, because April's almost over, and I haven't submitted a video yet for the April Geo Challenge. This month's challenge is to find an ammo can, and I know there's one here in this area. I'm gonna find it today, make a video, submit it for the April Geo Challenge. If you haven't submitted a video for the April Geo Challenge, you better get on it real darn soon. Got about 200 feet to go. You know, quite frankly, I'm tired of running. This winter's got me way out of shape. I think I'm gonna walk the rest of the way. I want to dedicate this ammo can find and that bad acting to Geo Elmo geocaching videos. Okay, let's see what's in this bad boy. Find the log and claim the April Geo Challenge. Let's see what we got in here. Got the logbook here. Got some playing cards. A little Cedo kit. I don't know what the heck this thing is. Look, it's Batman. And he's got a friend. Two Batmans. Cool. It's got a path tag in it. And this was kind of neat. Don't panic and carry a towel. Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy for the win. That qualifies me for the April Geo Challenge 2018. Thanks to Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, and Lookout Lisa for everything they do for geocaching and vlogging. And thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more of these videos from me, go ahead and click that subscribe box right there, and you'll be notified on your subscriptions feed when I make new videos. Thanks for all the support from everybody. We'll see you guys next time for another episode of Geocaching with Halemeister.